Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the minerals and the some minerals and their characteristics. Now here are the types of the minerals. Now here types of minerals. We can classify the minerals in two parts: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. And also we can say here the third part of the minerals, the minerals metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals, and third part is energy minerals like here the coal, gases, petroleum. Three here type: coal, gas, petroleum. Energy minerals: coal, gas, petroleum. Clear? And mainly we classified the minerals in metallic and the non-metallic. And also here the we can explain about the energy minerals also: coal, gases, and the petroleum. All these are the source of energy. All these are source of energy. Now here two types: metallic and non-metallic minerals. The minerals have the metal. These are included in the metallic minerals. Mineral are not have here मेटल that are included in the non metallic. जिसमें क्या होता है, मेटल होता है, that is the metallic mineral, and here the not found here the metal included in the category of non metallic minerals. And metallic mineral also divided in two sub parts: ferrous metal and the non ferrous metal. The metallic minerals which have the part of the ferrium, part of the ferrous, part of the ferrous here, जिसमें क्या होता है, लोहा होता है ना, लोहांश होता है, the part of ferrum are known as ferrous metal and not have the ferrium, not have the iron. ठीक है, not have the iron mean है ना iron. Then non ferrous metal, जिसमें iron होता है, ferrous metal. Not have the iron, the metallic minerals are known as the non ferrous metal. The example of the ferrous metal: iron, nickel, manganese. Iron, nickel, manganese, all these are known as the metallic minerals, and all these are known as the ferrous metal, and all these have the part of ferrous, part of iron. And non ferrous not have the part of iron, and these are example of the non ferrous: copper, lead, zinc, tin, aluminum. Copper, lead, zinc, aluminum. Copper, lead, zinc, tin, and aluminum. Then here non metallic minerals, तो minerals not have the metal part, जिसमें metal नहीं होता ना, metal part, that is included in the category of non metallic minerals. Non metallic minerals, example of the non metallic minerals are granite, marble, limestone, sulfur, phosphate, nitrates. Clear? Granite, marble, limestone, sulfur, phosphate, nitrates, all these are the example of non metallic minerals. And here the example of metallic minerals, all these are here: iron, nickel, manganese, copper, lead, tin, zinc. All these are the example of the metallic minerals. Clear? Now here the topic about the rocks. Here the topic is rocks. What is rocks and the types of the rocks and the signs of the rocks. So we will study about the rocks. So what is rocks? Here the definition of the rocks. The in rocks, many type of the minerals found in the rocks. First of all, here the many types of the minerals found in the rocks. Here the note, here the only one mineral found in the rocks. Many two or more minerals found in rocks. Here the substance of the crust which is hard as granite or soft as chica are called rocks. Here the definition of the rocks. Rocks क्या होती है? What is rocks here? The substance of crust, the substance of the crust which is hard as granite or soft as chica are called rocks. Clear? The definition of rocks: the substance of the crust, जो crust होता है ऊपर का ना, धरातल का जो सरफेस का, हम पार्ट, सरफेस के पार्ट की बात करते हैं. सरफेस कैसे बनी हो? एज ए हार्ड ग्रेनाइट. ग्रेनाइट जैसे हार्ड होता है, या तो ग्रेनाइट की तरह कैसे का हो, हार्ड हो. एंड द सॉफ्ट एज ए चीका, जैसे चीका सॉइल होती है, बलवा सॉइल आल्सो ना, दैट इज एज ए चीका, सॉफ्ट एज ए चीका आर कॉल्ड द रॉक्स. ठीक है, तो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द मिनरल्स फाउंड इन द रॉक्स. एंड लाइक हियर द फेल्सपर एंड क्वार्टज. फेल्सपर और क्वार्टज हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट क्लास में. व्हाट इज हियर द फेल्सपर एंड द क्वार्टज? द मिनरल्स एंड हैड इट्स specific characteristics, and the approx the crust 50% part have फेल्डस्पार सबसे ज्यादा क्या होता है ना, फेल्डस्पार इन द ऑल these rocks, approx at the all rocks at the found the feldspar, and here some rocks also found at the quartz, and many other minerals also found in rocks. Many other minerals also found in rocks, the metallic minerals also and non-metallic minerals also. Now here the petrology. What is petrology? The science of the rocks. The science of the rocks known as the petrology. Hello. What is here the petrology? The science of rocks. The science of rocks known as petrology. The science of rocks known as petrology. And in the in this petrology, the petrologists study about the minerals and the structure of the minerals and the alteration and the relationship with the other rocks, occurrence of the mineral, and the what is found in the rocks, what is found in the different type of the minerals, the study of about the rocks, the study of about the rocks, yeah, science of the rocks known as the petrology. And now here we discuss about the rocks, the types of rocks. Types of rocks. Three type of the rocks. First is igneous. First here the igneous rocks. Second is sedimentary rocks. And third is metamorphic rock. Types of the rocks. We can classify the rocks in three types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. The igneous rock, the igneous word derived from the word ignis. Derived from the word ignis. That's mean fire. That's mean fire. इसका मीन क्या होता है? ये igneous जो वर्ड बना किससे बना? ignis से. What is here the ignis? Ignis the word mean is fire. Ignis the word mean is fire. So what is in this igneous rock? Here the structure of the igneous rocks, igneous rock also called the primary rocks, igneous rock also called the primary rocks, and here the sedimentary rocks, then here the metamorphic rock. Firstly here the on the earth form the igneous rock, then after that the igneous rock convert in the sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rock. Firstly occur here the igneous rock, occur here the igneous rock, then here the volcanic eruption, then here the volcanic eruption, the type here the crust, here the crust, and the many cracks found in the many cracks and the faults found in the crust, and here the chamber, the magma chamber, the magma found in the asthenosphere, particularly in asthenosphere, in mantle, that is here the upper surface, and here the interior part of the earth, and what happened then? Here the volcanic eruption, the magma come out from the earth surface. Magma कहाँ आ रहा है ना, बाहर आ रहा है. Magma come out on the earth surface. Then here the what happened then? magma क्या होगा? लिक्विड है, लिक्विड पार्ट क्या हो रहा है? बाहर आ रहा है. बाहर आएगा तो क्या होगा? जैसे magma यहाँ से बाहर आया क्रेटर से. Then here the magma यहाँ से क्या हो रहा है ना, spread the magma. Then what process here? Then the process here start here the cooling. And start here the solidification. Then here the cooling and the solidification convert this in the rocks. ये क्या बन जाता है? मैग्मा यहाँ पे convert in rocks. What happened? देखना क्या हो रहा है. मैग्मा बाहर आ रहा, the magma come out on the earth surface, that is known as the lava. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? लावा बोलते हैं. और जब लावा में क्या हो रहा है? then here the cooling and the solidification, and here the structure of rocks. और यहाँ पे क्या बनती है? rocks बनती है. और this rocks is known as the igneous rock. This rock is known as the igneous rock. And igneous, firstly here the occur the magma, then here the rocks form the igneous rock. So this igneous rock also known as the primary rock. This igneous rocks also known as the primary rock. igneous rock को और क्या बोलते हैं? primary rocks. And the different type of the structure found in the igneous rock and different type of the minerals also found in the igneous rocks. And here the example of the igneous rock, granite rocks also the example of the igneous rock. Grabo also the example of the igneous rock. ग्रेबो, ठीक है. ग्रेबो ठीक है. Then here pegmatite and basalt. Pegmatite and basalt. Pegmatite and basalt. All these are the example of the igneous rock. All these are the example of the igneous rock. Many type of the minerals also. Many type of the minerals found in the igneous rock. Here the structure of the igneous rock. Also here the different the types of the igneous rock also. But here only we study about the example of igneous rock. Here the like granite, grabo, basalt, pegmatite. Granite, grabo, basalt, pegmatite. All these are the example of the igneous rock. And here in next class we discuss about the sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rocks. And here we discuss about igneous rock. So what is here the igneous rock? Then here the magma. Magma क्या हो रहा है? Come out on the earth surface. Then here they start the process cooling and the solidification and convert in the igneous rock. Or this rock is known as the primary rocks.